Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am for the week of, is this the right week? No, the week of September 19th through to Sunday, September 25th. And I know it is the first day of fall this week. Fall is going to be officially here. I'm kind of in denial about that. So I'll be using some stickers that are somewhat fall related, if you can call it that, but I'm also trying to use up stickers in my stash. So these are some floral stickers from, I believe it's the Mega Happy Planner sticker book. Don't quote me on that because I no longer have any remaining Happy Planner sticker books, so I can't reference them for you. But I decided to actually keep these sheets because I really like the colorways of them, and I think it's a great transition from the bright colors of summer into the darker colors of fall. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to actually do is put washi straight across the top. Although I am a little bit unsure of this washi. There's a few places where it looks like it's not, yeah, like it's just going to rip like that. Hold on here. Let's get this sorted. Okay, let's rip that part off. I'll end up finding that like on my sweater later. And let's just be careful. Okay. That will do for that side. And I'm not normally one to use such dark washi, but I think it'll just look really good with these florals. It'll be a very dark spread. Very dark for me anyway, because if you're familiar with my spreads, I really kind of go with the light, the bright, punchy type colors. So this will be interesting for the way that I want to work this. So I want to place a bigger sticker down here in the corner, and I think this is the one that will fit perfectly. I don't know if it's upside down or not, but I don't really care. Yeah, there we go. Oh, cute. And then probably stick one of these bigger ones up at the top here. I do like that it's the paper. No, I'm gonna stick this one. Cut that one. Oh, sorry. Cut that one in half. And I know I'm cutting it in such a weird way, but the effect of it once it actually goes down, I love the way that it looks like that. And then it's like a puzzle coming together when you put the sticker down like that. Oh, love it. Then I think in terms of actual stickers, I don't think I'm going to add too much more. I do love the purples, and I'm going to leave the rest of these for my journaling spreads, but these tiny ones are cute. So maybe let's put one here on. Yes, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take this black washi again and take off a very small piece of it to put it with this floral here. Oh, I like that. Okay. So then what I'm going to do is go ahead and work on the sidebar here. I'll zoom you guys into that. So I've chosen 4 different Tombow dual brush pens, and this was from the Muted palette, and I got these from Stationery Pal, and I'm choosing between 679, 026, 947, and 837. So these seem to work really well with the colors in the spread. I'm really excited. I can't decide yet which ones to use, but let's go ahead. So using one of these Tombow dual brush pens, I create a header, and then with the Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen, I write in the word sleep and take a cute little Coffee Monsters Co. emoji to just brighten everything up, because you always need a Coffee Monsters Co. emoji for sleep. And then draw out my graph here. And somebody asked me how I measure my sleep score as well as the sleep length. So It's the way that I do it is I actually draw a line for the number of hours that I slept, and then on top of that, I write in my sleep score, which is a percentage. Underneath my sleeping graph, I have another header using my Tombow Dual brush pen. I write in the word workout, and then I use another cute Coffee Monsters Co. emoji, and then write out my workout schedule for next week. So now along the bottom of the spread, this is where I keep track of my meals, and I use the Tombow Dual brush pens to create headers along the bottom, and then I use my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen to brush letter in the word meals, and this is where I keep track of my breakfasts, lunches, and dinners. I am actually really loving the look of this. It's turning out more fall inspired than I thought it would. So now I'm going to go in to the center of the page where I put in my work shifts. I'm going to use the same Tombow Dual brush pens to create headers, and then I will also use my work script stickers from my shop, and then I'll go in with my fountain pen and actually draw out my work shifts. And I say draw out, it sounds funny, but I actually block out the times for my work shifts. Yeah, I know I totally screwed that up. Oh well. It still looks fine. It's one of those things where people ask me like, what do you do when you make a mistake? It I mean, I can put white out over it or like the correction tape, but then the Tombow won't be able to write over it. You know what? At the end of the day, it's not a big deal. To me, it's not a big deal. I know to some people that that really bugs them that that's not going to match, but at the end of the day, whatever. It's just a planner spread. And I see it as a memory of how I screwed up. Oh well. But that also goes to show you that even people who do plan with me videos screw up or smudge something or whatever. I prefer seeing that, really. So the next thing I'm going to do here is actually start writing in what I do on a day-to-day basis. So what you've just seen in the first few minutes of this plan with me is I know where to place those stickers because I know this goes here, and this goes here. The rest is more what I do on a day-to-day basis, and then once that's all put down, then I can do a little bit more decorating. So on Mondays, I will put a to-do list here, and it is my usual meal planning and ordering groceries. And then Tuesdays, I know I have some really cute chores stickers now. I got a whole bunch in from Paper Bits Co. Did I get garbage stickers from her, or did I just get, there's some garbage ones, but I'll use these from Coffee Monsters Co. And Tuesday night is the night that my husband puts out the garbages because they're picked up on Wednesday. Whoa. Gosh, my writing. Then I know I have to make note that like basically this whole week my daughter is going on a field trip basically Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. I don't know how to make note of that yet because it's an all week thing, so I don't know how to put that in here. Okay, then Wednesday, nothing that I know of, but I know on what day is this? Thursday, there is a welcome back barbecue that they're having at my kids' school. It's the first time they've had it since before the pandemic. So my husband and my two kids are going. And then I think I'm going to have my husband pick up the groceries after. So there's always the cute grocery emoji somewhere. Oh, laundry. I need that one. These are all the laundry ones. Where's my groceries? I really like this purple ink. This purple ink is pretty. Okay. I want like a small itty bitty one. All right, well, let's just use this one then. Looks like I will have to buy more soon. Now, because the welcome barbecue is at 6:30, I'm assuming they'll be there for about an hour and a half. So I'll probably get my husband to pick up groceries with my kids between 8 and 8:30. It'll be a little bit of a late night for them. And then let's put these to the side here. And then Friday is going to Weight Watchers to weigh in. And then I need to film my cousin and my week's spreads. I also know there's a couple of other videos that I want to do. I'm still deciding whether or not it's worthwhile doing them as separate videos or just, I don't know. I don't know. I'm expecting I have a few orders coming in. So there's more videos that I'm going to be filming in the next little while, more than my usual 3 or 4 a week. So if the 2 orders that I have come this coming, you can tell my brain is kind of like all over the place, but I'll write it down if it does end up coming to that. Sometimes I refer to previous weeks to figure out what the heck I'm doing. Okay. Then, oh my goodness, what is wrong with me? And then I know Saturday is Henry's first wall climbing. So 10 to 11:30. And then I'm supposed to be meeting Adrian for coffee as well as a trip to Stylus. I do need to go there to buy some covers. Very, very excited about that. But I don't know the exact timing of that yet. So I'm thinking maybe 1. Let's put 1 o'clock for now. 1 o'clock. Coffee and Stylus with Adrian. And then that evening is also my team's happy hour. And then during that happy hour, I'm also folding laundry. I'm so cool. And so, team happy hour. And when I say happy hour, this is all virtual because the majority of, actually, no, all of my team, we all work remotely. So I have team all over the US. I have a team member in Ontario. So we are all over the place. So this is our way of having virtual happy hour. And I'm so cool that I am there folding laundry on Saturday nights. And then on Sunday, Henry has Ninja from 11:30 to 12:30. Now that I've written this in here, it's like, where do we put in our cleaning? We'll still do it Sunday morning. Whoops. So, cute stickers. Where's the cute cleaning stickers? I have so many. Cleaning Ninja. I got more of these cute girly papers, Paper Bits Co. stickers, but I also feel like I need to use, oh, you know what? This is cute. I'm going to use this one from Be-Do and Co. There goes Lucy barking. So for cleaning, I know, I'm just going to list them all actually going up so that I don't, crap. Oh, I hate when that happens. Where is my, there we go, blotting paper. Oh, see? It's a gong show, this. So, handles and switch, dust, and garbage. That's supposed to be Henry's job. Windows, vacuum, bathrooms. Oh my gosh. I just realized we have the cleaner coming on the following Monday. We don't have to clean that. Oh my god. And that smudge for nothing. Okay, hold on. At least this came off pretty easily. Poor sticker. But now I have to figure out what I'm doing with that. Oh, that's gonna drive me nuts. So, okay. How am I going to do this? I can't believe I did that. And like I said in my head, you don't need to clean because you have the cleaner coming on, what's it called? Monday. Can't believe I did that. But I do have to do the bed linens on that day. So I'm going to pick a different laundry sticker. This one. And see if I can't write bed linens somehow. Probably in a different pen because my fountain pen won't really write well on that. So it might have to be here. Wash bed linens. Okay. Yeah, whatever. Oh my god, I can't believe I did that. Oh well. It's all part and parcel of planning. Even the planning process itself doesn't go as smoothly as we would like it to. Okay, so what else do I have left? I know that's going to be smudged. I'm kind of like, I'm just going to leave it because it's smudged. I'm trying to think of what else I need to put in here, and I don't think there's really much else. I don't know. I know I'm gonna have to probably do a lot of designing on that day because there's still the stickers I need to design for PGP, which is the week after. Can't believe it's coming up already. So this whole week is already looking at designing because I need to print and cut those stickers basically for Thursday. Oh, anyway, this is all the stuff that goes on in my head. But yeah, so now let's grab a few more stickers and see if I can't put them in other spots here. Like, I really like this, but I feel like it would just look odd just sticking there unless I have something over here as well. And I don't think I have enough, unless I don't know. I don't know. You know, I think I might just leave it. I do like the little flowers here and there, but I think maybe just add one more little yellow rose to here to make it a little bunch. Okay, I'm gonna leave that as is. I really like the colors of this spread. I really like how just the Tombow Duo brush pens and all of that work together. It's not your typical fall spread, but I do really, really like it. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching this mess of a spread. Oh my goodness. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you liked this video, and I'm I'm so grateful if you do, make sure to click on that like button and to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.